Assalamu alaikum viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is me again, Urdu Fashion World. As you know, today video is all about on hairstyles. Stylish hair designs are a creative expression of individuality and fashion. These intricate and trendy designs involve expertly crafting hair into unique patterns, shapes and texture. Stylists use a combination of cutting, coloring and styling techniques to achieve these eye-catching looks. One popular style is the undercut, where the sides and back of the hair are shaped close to the scalp, creating a strike contrast with the longer hair on the top. This design offers a bold and edgy appearance. Braided hair designs have also gained popularity with intricate braids woven together in various patterns, whether it's a classic French braid, fishtail or Dutch braid. These styles showcase a blend of elegance and sophistication. Vibrant and unconventional hair colors are other ways stylists create unique designs, from pastel hues to bold neon shades. These colors can be combined with creative cutting techniques to make a statement. Finally, textured hair designs and depth add dimension. Texturizing methods such as layering, razor cutting, or adding curls and waves create dynamic and visually appealing hairstyles. Whether it's an edgy undercut in create braids, bold or textured cuts, these designs making a lasting expression. So this is all about our today video. If you like it, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Allah Hafiz.